Do you want to be featured on Kenchi School?
Kenchi School.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Kenchi School. My name is Artathon Mukherjee. Today I'm going to bring you some mini cards, which is going to be my second submission for Art-A-Thon organized by Intaligami. After making the first project, which I'm going to link to over here, I was left with more paper and I decided to make some mini cards. You will also see that after making these mini cards, I will be left with more scraps, and I'll also create another bookmark out of that, which is super easy. And after creating the bookmark, you will also see what do I do with the remaining bits of paper. As you can see, I have stamped out all my images which I'll be using today for my cards. For the background of my card, I wanted to create a rainbow collection, but as you can see, after pairing all the colors, violet was left out alone, so I decided to introduce some pink to create a partner for the violet. I'm just slowing down here to show that I clean my surface after every blending, and how I store my blending foams. I just attach them on the velcro which I've hot glued at the back of my ink pad, and I can easily pull them up when I need it and store them back after my usage. After cutting out my owls, I had some extras left as well, which I'll be using for the bookmark later. Since I'll be using only the negative of the dies that I've cut out, I decided to create 1 sentiment out of all those cut out of the word hi that came out, to create one fat sentiment which looks like an embellishment for my bookmark. I'm going to keep my owls black and white, but I'm just going to add color to their beaks and their feet, rather claws using my Nuvo crystal drops and add some clear morning dew Nuvo crystal drop on the owls which have their eyes open. Now that my cards are complete, I am going to start working on my bookmark. Since the background for my cards are so colorful, I decided to make this bookmark more monochromatic. So I'm just working with grays and blacks for the background here. Now you can see I'm left with more bits and pieces of this paper, but I decided to put them to their actual use. So I decided to plant them. I'm just planting the marigold seed paper over here because the cat seed paper is already over in the project. So I'm just going to tear them up and put it into the soil, which is already wet, and add some more water and wait for some flowers to bloom. So these are the finished products. I have exhausted the entire 2 sheets of paper that I received, and here are a few of the close-up shots. I hope you really liked these cards because they were so easy to make and yet so colorful. And I love the idea of mini cards because you can create them really fast and they look super cute. The details of the products that I've used today are available in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Here on your left you can find the other bookmark that I created for Art-A-Thon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.